This is not your average hip-hop. My rap style knock you out your flip-flops. Let the blood side goons drip drop. And my